You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of...
What's up everybody? Welcome to yet another video. My YouTube channel is Mary Chep and my name is Mary Chep. So welcome to yet another video. Today, as you can see, my nails are nice. So it's about nail day and then we go do some shopping in Kamukunji. So let me tag you along as we go see some stuff which are there, and then I will show you what I bought. So let's get to the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. We are in road to 1K subscribers. Bye. Guys, tumechange nails zetu, new nails loaded. Yes, nails day tumefanya nude with a touch of white and black. There you go, nail day.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
Sasa we are going to be cooking. Now we need utensils. Then I decided, why not get these utensils? See, so this pan was going for 600 Kenyan shillings. This jug, a white jug, it was going for 50 Kenyan shillings. Yes. So this blue spatula was going for 150 Kenyan shillings. This one 150 Kenyan shillings. Two mwikos for 50 bob each. sufuria cover for 150 Kenyan shillings. Measuring cups, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. They are going for 300 Kenyan shillings. So we are going to be baking, we are going to be cooking, we are going to be measuring, we are going to be sieving, we are going to explore cooking now. This YouTube be prepared for more content each day. So, and then again I got these small spoons. Again they are measuring, for tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon. This one is for measuring. Again I got at 200 Kenyan shillings. Bought this oval ball with this spoon. It was going for 250 Kenyan shillings. This mixer was going for 250 Kenyan shillings. This chips spoon was going for 300 Kenyan shillings. And finally the last item I bought was this white chopping board. It was going for 250. This is the chopping board I bought. See how cute it is. But the best thing about these things is this bowl. I loved it because it comes with a spoon. So I'm sorted. Mixing my flour there, my dough there, with this cute bowl and this spoon. If this pan, it was going for 600 Kenyan shillings. This is I think the medium size. There was even the big one, but I just wanted a small one. So this is it. So guys, be prepared. We are going to be cooking. We are going content after content. Don't mind about my hair. I was about to do it, but because of many shugulis I was not able. But from next week, in the next video, you'll see that I've changed my hairstyle. And then also it was a nail day. So as you can see, my nails are looking cute and fabulous. So make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's reach to 1,000 subscribers. Bye. See you on the next one. Love you all. I'm out.